So this is how you can airdrop a lot of photos at once to the iPad or from the iPad. Let's get started. So if you are new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you do not miss tutorials like this one. So you might locate your Photos app on the iPhone or iPad, right? And the point is that if you want to send more pictures over airdrop at once, you need to locate the select button in the top right corner. The select tool lets you specifically pick which photos you want to work with, and in our case, share, right? So you can tap on the individual photos to select them, or you can even just drag it like that to select multiple at once, right? So even that speeds up the process. Then, of course, click on the share button, and you need to find the airdrop right there. And of course, the bigger the files, the longer it's going to take. So if you are sharing like a lot of high quality photos or videos even, right, it might take a little bit longer, but at the end of the day, it should work, right? So if you cannot just like share like 100 photos at once, then try to split it and send like 50 and then another 50, right? So it kind of depends on your situation, but that is how it works. So let me know in the comments below if you made it successfully work on your device. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next tutorials as well, but only if you subscribe so you do not miss that. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.